Jono Spring here from New Zealand Sotheby's International Realty, the mighty Manawatu. I'd like to welcome you all here to 6 Cardiff Street, Awapuni, to this wonderful, spacious, modern 3-bedroom home that's conveniently placed in a fantastic location. I'd like you to come in and have a look around with me. I hope you enjoyed looking through this wonderful 3-bedroom home. As you would have seen, there are 3 spacious bedrooms with good double wardrobes and the master enjoying a walk-in wardrobe with dual access bathroom. Open plan living, good access to the outdoor patio area, internal garaging, double glazing and fully insulated. If you're on the market looking for a home, this is one that you should definitely consider. If you'd like to arrange a private appointment to come and view, please feel free to get in touch with us at Sotheby's, Manawatu.